How to fix Instagram direct messages not working easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix the Instagram direct messages. So if you have any problem, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing you have to do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks, and after that you have to enable the airplane mode and disable it again. After you enable it and disable it, go back, and this time you have to go into the apps manager. Now here on the apps you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find Instagram and click on it, and then click on this force stop option, and last thing you want to do is click on the storage, click on clear cache, clear data, and then go back, click on the data usage, and make sure that all the data usage options are enabled. And now last thing you want to do is turn off your phone, turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, this means that you have a problem in the Wi-Fi, so you have to change the network, or you can just turn it off and on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.